Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Use a screwdriver to pry off the dampening arm clip. Remove the filter housing door. You can pry it off with a flathead screwdriver. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside.
Install your new AQ1087 filter into the housing.
With its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box door. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.